Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Oh, Teddy, it's all over. I need to make profits in crypto and everything's going down. What do we do? What do we do, Teddy? That's all I hear. I got Kyra up here. She wants to come in and out. So we'll see. What are we reaching for? What do you want? You want this? You want this? Okay. You're welcome. Yep. So things are happening in crypto. They are progressing quite well. I'm just trying to understand what everyone. Okay. Bye, Kyra. You say bye? No? You want something? What do you want? You want crypto prices to go up? Okay. How do we get crypto prices to go up? You got to sell? Oh, she says, that means you got to sell. There you go. Oh, man. Ben, before I even started, already asked the question. Teddy, please tell me how to lock in my profits now that I made it all back. The first goal was to make it all back. Now that we made it all back, where do we go from here? So I did tell Ben, hey, you got to sell. That's the only way you're going to see them profits. Carol, you want to come? What's going on? What are you reaching for? You want this? You want this? She wants Lamborghini. You want Cherio?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She's reaching for a Cherio. I don't know if you guys know this. The True Goons may know this. Okay. You done? Oh, sorry. And I got to go on with the Goons car. We got a show to go on to. What do you want? You want to run the show? Kyra wants to run the show. Okay. Well, today it's hosted by Kyra, so how we doing this? Oh, whoa, snap. We got Jasmine in the house. Nice to see you. What's going on? Always a pleasure. Let's see. Lamborghini. Always pick the Lambo. Yep. We got Kyra up here. Let me actually move right to the market. Oh, don't fall. Stick with me, buddy. Goodbye. I'm not sure what she's going to do. This is going to be quite an interesting stream from this point on. And we're going to go with it. The Kyra show. Mark Nobi, how are you? How are things? I am just trying to share my screen, but my mouse has now disappeared. So Kyra has moved it. All right, there we go. Present. Share window. Boom. Pow. Let's get right into it. Sorry about that, guys. It is. I thought she left. And then she was like, nope, I'm not done. She opened the door again and came right back in. So it's always a pleasure when we get Kyra in the room. And it's actually even more fun. You guys know my second channel, Explore the Weird. When I'm recording there and Kyra comes into the room, it's always a hit or a miss. She's either coming in strong and ready to add, or she's upset and she just wants to make it known. And we got a little bit of both today, so it's quite interesting. Hey, Teddy and the Goons, what's going on, Coochie Boy? I just want to talk all things crypto. I want to get right into it. I want to figure out, hey, is the price of cryptocurrency continue going to go up, or are we going to see continued retracement? Because a lot of analysts are throwing, hey, expect crypto to retrace, expect downtrending in the foreseeable future. Then today we had a red day, and I look at it and I go, not a complete red day. I'm looking at the global crypto market cap, 2.62 trillion. Any day above 2 trillion, any day above 1 trillion is a great day. We Goons were in the crypto scene since 1 trillion market cap. If 5 trillion is achieved, that's a 2x from there in the market cap alone. Imagine the prices, right? 10 trillion, 100 trillion. I'm not holding for now. I'm holding for the future. But there are people where, hey, Teddy, I need cash. I need to figure out what to do. And how do I take the profits that you intend to, right? So it does come down to, hey, which cryptos am I in? Is the cryptos that I'm in having a reasonable market cap that I can achieve some of these 10x's? Hey, is the crypto that I'm in not, a top 100 crypto, and there's a potential it may fall off, right? We've seen things fall off. I have a great article today talking about Bonk falling off and how the price action doesn't actually meet what the expectations are. And when it comes to altcoins, there is a steep downtrend on altcoins, but I want you guys to pay attention to the 7 day, right? We still see green in the 7 day. And even if we're seeing some downtrends, hey, maybe we're at a 10% max, but most of them, it's 1%, 2%, 5%. And when it comes to Bitcoin, maybe 1%. And you go, hey, it's movie magic. They're giving you the illusion that, hey, the market is gonna downtrend for the foreseeable future, so they can find their entry points in. For you true goons, there's a halving coming. There's going to be a continued rally. I don't understand why the rally would just stop and people just stop before um the news even happens. It just doesn't seem plausible. So I personally go, if you're looking to take profits and you're okay with 70K, 69K, and you see the price coming down in the foreseeable future, sell. That's the only way you're going to make money, right? Otherwise, you see a coin going down. What the heck are you holding for, right? The goons like me, Coochie Boy, Ben Spada, some of us, we have cryptocurrencies we intend to hold for even longer than a year, 2 years, right? We intend to hold these cryptocurrencies 20 years. Like, this is a 10-year, 15-year plan. This isn't something where looking at our entry point and going, hey, where's this crypto going to be 20 years from now? Most likely, the market cap's going to be much higher than where it is currently. And I expect the cryptocurrencies that I'm in to also grow in market cap, therefore growing the value of your cryptocurrency as well. So it is an interesting thought. I'm looking at entry points for Crow. I've looked at entry points for BNB. And, when we got the entry points, it's whether you took, you bit the nail on the head and you got it, or if you didn't. Red Sox. I said Crow and Red Sox chimed right in. Look at that. Yes, we goons hodl the good ones. Yes, hodl the good ones. Most likely, if you're now in a top 100 crypto, like, most of us goons are in XRP. I believe we got into XRP around 32 cents. Now XRP is at 60. I'm still holding my 32-cent bag. So whatever it is, whatever profits I have, I intend XRP in 25 years. Hey, Teddy, the ISO 222, it's going to happen. Then I go, hey, if ISO 222, they still have utility. They won the SEC case. There's all these things happening. Why wouldn't XRP continue to strive forward, right? Then I look at Solana and I'm like, 190, 200 is nothing for Solana. I expected Solana to go to 600. I expect Solana to go to 1,000. 200 is a 5x. I'm like, hey, if I'm making a safe judgment, I'm Solana looking real juicy right now. Comparing the market cap, hey, 84 versus 400. Wait, 420. Hey, it went back down. All right. Well, for a hot second, it was at 420 billion, so it felt good. Triple G smoked the like button on the way in, and W, nice to see you. How are you? What's going on? What up, goons? Hello, Selmo. Teddy, I sold Crow. I know, but we need to find an entry point back in case Crow takes off, and I will talk about it during the chart segment because there are so many things. There's so many things I intend to watch, and Crow is one of the things that I have staked, and I expect people are gonna see some profits from the initial Crow bullish sentiment if it happens and when it happens. I also expect the price to retrace, but in the overall weekly, it's still doing fairly well. And I even started looking at Mantle because I was like, dude, how are these things? WIF we already knew about. WIF we talked about since what, $1.34. $1.34. Most of us, I think, even got into WIF at 34 cents. And you got to go back to the streams because these are true monster moves where considering, and I think WIF still has a long way to run considering the people that are pushing it. 4 billion market cap, and you look at the next meme coin, and I'm looking at Shiba Inu at 12 and you're at 16. I'm like, hey, there's still a long way to run in market caps alone. What's your take on Stealth Launch? Is it get in and get out type of deal? Everything is a get in, get out, jeet your way out. If it's not a top 100, jeet out. If you believe in the project, leave a moon bag. I love moon bags. My JTO bag doing some cray, dude. I remember looking at JTO the other day with you, right? It was doing wild. So yeah, market doing real good, feeling very happy. The other weird thing is, even during this downtrend, I'm looking at the dominance, and dominance hasn't changed, meaning, hey, people are potentially holding. Yeah, we're getting a small devaluation, but if we have a green day and a continued extreme greed market coming into the next few weeks, I'm expecting another rally. I think this is just people just taking profits right now. If you need to take profits, feel free, but I can totally see this continuing on with the rally. But the dominances are pretty much stabilizing, and that usually tells me even when the market caps are dipping, people are intending or holding where they are and keeping that value as close to the market cap as they can. So I do believe that is truly happening. The other fun one, as you guys know, I'm really considering my XRP bag. Hey, continued hold and maybe find new entry points. I've been talking to Crypto Norval. You guys know him as Paper Hands. And he's came in here. He told us the place about the graph. XRP, there's a lot of news media happening. There's a lot of mainstream media that is actually picking up XRP. I'm starting to go XRP and Solana potentially could be a move as we look into more regulation coming in. And I do have articles. A lot of people fell for the April Fool's ETFs got approved. Teddy, dude, come on, guys. It's April 1st. What are you gonna believe? Wormhole Wednesday, excited. Wait, what the heck is Wormhole Wednesday? Fill us in. But yeah, I would 100% consider getting into some of these alts as of right now, even if you believe it's gonna continue to dip. Don't put all your eggs in the basket, right? Just grab a little. Why not? What's the worst that could happen? Dude, Matic under $1? Imagine that. You think you're ever gonna say Matic's under $1 in the future? Teddy, it's the April Fool's jitters. Teddy, they got them all scared. Yep. For April, we got Wormhole, Camino, Parcel confirmed for. Oh, dude, you're in Cosmos airdrops as well, NW? Oh my god, this guy. I had no idea. No one told me. Claim your Wormhole tokens on Wednesday. Yeah, but I didn't use Cosmos, so I'm screwed. But that's a good thing for the goons. Make sure, goons. Biggest gainers, real one that stuck out to me was SUI. You guys know I love SUI, SCI, and STX. These three I've been watching for quite some time, and I really like the trajectory that they have done, and especially on even downtrending days like this, bearish days. It's holding its own, and we'd love to see it. We don't even have the full top 10 here. And then you look at biggest losers. Yeah, Pepe, but it's 10% down. We've seen cryptos go up and down 20%, 25% on the day. So this is not too much of a big hitter. Tomorrow and the coming days are really going to tell us what's going to happen. A bunch of you guys even hit me with helium. Oh, Teddy, helium, what happened? And then the main thing being, hey, we don't see the top 10 on here like Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So we are seeing the alts pop up and trend, which tells me hey, when and there is retracement, potentially there could be altcoin days that will push into the halving as well. So I'm gearing up. I'm not done. I am still here and continuing to hold. But if you need to take profits, definitely do it with the consideration that, hey, maybe it's not going to go down and it continues to go up. And there's some news just to make you uh, assume it's going to go down. People making YouTube videos saying time to sell your memes. Lemo, never happened here. Yeah, exactly, B. Ricky. Exactly. And we goons were smart. We look at the charts. We have AI trading indicators. We're looking at all the indicators that we have to our expense in order to make educated decisions. And most of our guesses, I think the only thing I have ever been wrong on this channel, and you guys can check every single stream, how many I've done, like 375 of these. All right. You can literally go back, watch the first one all the way here, and you can see, I believe the only time we anticipated the call that the triple G indicator got wrong was when we were at 1.01 trillion. There was a point where I looked at you guys and I said, hey, we're at the 50-50 mark, the 1.01 trillion. And I'm at the point that I actually do believe we're going to dip below 1 trillion global crypto market cap. And it was like something happened the next day, and then boom, it was like the biggest uptrend we've seen for the the next few weeks. And Bitcoin recovered, everything came back, and it was just like we were literally sitting at bottom when I was on that stream. I don't know what number it is, but I would say that's one of the only things that the triple G indicator was saying, hey, it does look bearish. And then out of nowhere, like something happened and we got rescued, but for some reason, and it was great. I'm getting tired of holding my Trump season 2 NFTs. Might have to dump some NW. I'm getting tired of my Trump NFTs too. But people are telling me hold on till the closer to the elections, something happens and you can sell them then for good money. Not Solana, sorry, but on Magic Eden. Can you sell them on Solana now? Magic Eden? Wait, not Solana, but on Magic Eden? Wait, what? No, you can't sell them on Magic Eden. You can only sell them on OpenSea, right? Yeah, that's it. And then how's your season 3? Do you have any season 3 ones? Dude, during Goon time, I got to go look at April Fool's Day jokes today. Yeah, dude, that's exactly. I think the April Fool's Day jokes are getting to people, and they're like trading for no reason. Can't sell season 2 on OpenSea. Wait, what? You can't sell season 2 of Trump NFTs on OpenSea? Oh my god, that is bonkers. That is bonkers. All right, interesting. No more OpenSea, only Magic Eden. I did not know this. I did not know OpenSea was gone. This is news to me. I am now believing you. Yeah, I got the mugshot edition. Are these being traded? No, these still aren't being traded. Holy crap, bro. What the hell? Let us freaking trade these. 6,000 people have bought these. All right, interesting. What was the other one? Trump. These ones still being traded? No, can't trade them. What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, I think you're right. It's only on Magic Eden. Holy crap. When did this happen? Why did they do this to me? Why? Why, Tenny? Why? Yeah, I'm checking. The last thing I looked at on Magic Eden was this crap. So, Trump. Yeah, we got Series 2, floor 74.5, floor 352. What? 352, top offer 0.06, floor price 0.09. Bro, it's that even worth it? Is that even worth it? Just wait. For 0.1? Dude, these guys are taking massive losses, bro. Oh. All right, so how's the other ones? I'm sorry, I have derailed. I have ADHD, but hey, you only get me 2 times a week, so enjoy me while you can. Yeah, thanks, Teddy. 0.03, 75 Matic, dude. 0.02. This is not even worth having. Series 2. What about the mugshot edition? Give me the mugshot, Teddy. Where's the mugshot? Trump mugshot? No. What's it called? Mugshot? Trump digital trading cards mugshot edition. Yeah, this one. Oh my god, this is just an embarrassment. All right, we're done. We're done. Embarrassing. All right. Did I finish? Did I go through everything? Yeah, we good. All right, we Gucci. We're gonna move on to the news. I actually had some interesting news articles, but um, yeah, my main one is Bitcoin registers price growth for 7 months straight. What now? What is going to happen now? The price range, and people have been saying this. Hey, it's stuck between 69 to 71K. Where do we go from here? And many people are at this reaccumulation range, and I know it's a high. It's a high. Oh, Teddy, but guess what? Guess what? This is the floor. And I told you guys, even during the dominance, right? We're looking at the market cap dominance. Even when the crypto market went down, the dominance stayed the same for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I go, hey, potentially that tells me that when the money flows back in, we're set for a further move up. And that is potentially what is happening as I speak to you today. It's April 1st. Some of you guys got hit with, oh, Ethereum ETFs didn't get approved. Ha ha ha. April Fools, right? And some people panic sold. There is some recovery now. We're getting back to 0%. I think we're going to see another upward trend. And I got my eye on it. You know, we still have the halving that's coming up. And there are things. I'm sorry, someone just messaged me and it alarmed me because normally I don't get notifications on this computer. How the hell did I get that notification? How the heck is this installed on here? Quit. Oh my god, scary. Oh wait, I think I recently played RuneScape. Maybe that's why. Oh yeah. I probably installed it myself. I was feeling it, Teddy. You're feeling it. Rect Capital concludes. So there is another thing, the buying opportunity. Is this the last buying opportunity? Is this the last pullback before we see another upside? That's pretty much what everyone's feeling, especially post Bitcoin halving as well. You know, they usually say a year and a couple months out, you'll see Bitcoin at its all-time high again. That's usually how it's done, what it's done historically. And now we're going to live through that upward movement. So I think this is potentially the last time, and we'll keep an eye on it to see what happens as it goes into this coming weeks. Yep. Just catching up with the chat there. And we got the other one is Bonk Price stalls. And I do want to review Bonk Price during the chart segment as well. And really why people are so weird about Bonk is it's not an established meme coin completely. It did hit top 100. It has good market cap, but usually the RSI and the profit taking is done very quickly when it comes to Bonk. You know, people haven't fully grasped onto it. It's not fully available for everyone. When it truly is, they're just like not looking on how to acquire it, which is some misinformation being spread in the meme coin community. And it's just declining in activity. And as an activity, it's like no one's actually picking it up. No one's interested in it. There's no volume there, right? So that's really what it comes down to. The RSI keeps hitting 70 or close to 70, and then people are just taking profits, shooting it back down, back into another sell frenzy. And you guys will see that during the chart segment when it comes to Bonk as well. So right now, they put a support level at 4024 and then further at 4021. We're going to look at it triple G's as well. And then their downturn puts it at literally 40195. Hey, but if we have great upward trends, we're only looking at, you know, maybe a 15, maybe a 20% move up to 4035. So we'll see. I got my eye on it, but I do want to look at it during the chart segment as well. The other fun one that I saw is altcoin, altcoin, altcoin. Which altcoins are gonna be the ones that take off? And I will tell you, half of these, I was like, how are these even on the list? How are these even on the list? So, you guys know about the meme coins. We just talked about Bonk as well, right? So gear up. Hey, is Bonk? Are we actually in a bicycle for Bonk, and we're just getting fake news, and we should really be acquiring Bonk, right? Or is there actually things happening? So they do talk about um, altcoins and what they potentially could do as we go into the bullish season. So one of the things they highlighted was like gaming, GameFi stuff that's coming in. They've also talked about um, the historical uh, all-time highs and where they happened before. So this is where I was saying, hey, normally it's like about a year and a few months. So they put a somewhere around here. I know it's hard to see, but I'm telling you, they literally say 10K of assets could soar to 500,000 to 1 million. That means if you put in right now $10,000 by 2025, they claim that you are gonna see great increase, a 200% increase at least, guys. At least seems wild. It seems wild, right? Teddy, is that what is that? A 3x Teddy? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? So it is a quite interesting prediction. I definitely have started looking at altcoins myself. That's why even this stream I've been telling you guys altcoins. So make sure you pick up the ones that you feel comfortable with. I don't want you guys making any uninformed decisions, but it is a true thing. There's GameFi tokens, there's energy networks, there's wireless networks. Helium is a big one for me. You guys know I have the Helium miner as well. And you guys know that I'm big fan Solana, big fan of XRP, and really accumulating as much as I can. Check Solana and EVM wallet address. EVM wallets such as MetaMask. Yeah. Yeah. Not sure if I qualified for W. Yeah, EVM is just your MetaMask, bro. That's it. You'll be fine. You probably did qualify. Why didn't you qualify, Gucci boy? You have like everything. Like, come on now. So yeah, this is like DPIN, which they talk about like the GPS stuff, and that's the ones where I'm like, dude, there's so many promises here, and these guys are really saying, hey, the upcoming altcoin season promises 50x to 100x returns, guys. This is why I'm telling you guys everything, because I want you guys to make informed decisions. Don't be left hanging. Figure out which altcoins are achievable, which market caps you guys can ride when these things come in. So they do suggest 10,000 now, could be millions of dollars by 2025, and I'm a believe it. Depending on the market caps you get into, you may see that, and depending on what the market cap could be in 2025, absolutely, why not? So I like this. I liked all the predictions as well, and I like the categories that they had highlighted in their tweet, especially with the chart and showing their prediction, especially 1 year before, 1 year after. Look where we were. Look where we're gonna go. So 200,000. Could you imagine? If you guys go have Algorand, remember a new governance session begins today, and you can stake your coins in your own wallet. So there you go. There you go. Soul Train, what's going on? F Joe, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Wait, live on X. I've never even seen this live on X. That's great that it does this. I didn't even know that. That's cool. Let me see. I have one more article here, which is don't be fooled. Ethereum ETF still unlikely, according to top analysts. And I told you, many people are falling for these things. Hey, the Ethereum approval odds are skyrocketing to 99%. We're going to see the approval. Come on, guys. Look at the date. Look at the date. April 1st. It wasn't going to happen. But realistically, people are getting pessimistic on the Ethereum ETF being approved, regardless of how they feel. I'm still feeling pretty bullish on Ethereum. I do believe till that news or a new or bad news comes out, we're still going to see a bullish sentiment for Ethereum because that's where the volume is, and people are going to push for that ETF approval. So why are they saying, hey, they're pessimistic, then now it's a 25% approval? It's basically because people are scaring into thinking that, hey, they're going to classify Ethereum as a security. That's why they're delaying the approval. They're trying to find ways around it. I think at this point, that whole, hey, are we going to classify this as security or not? Especially after the XRP ruling, is this even worth talking about and reopening a whole can of worms, Gary Gensler, before you leave and pass it down to the next uh chairman? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I personally do go more optimistic than this article. I do believe we'll see the Bitcoin ETFs get approved, and they even if the top altcoin ends up being a security. So there you go. So if the BlackRock CEO is saying that, and we know BlackRock got some, I'm going, hey, definitely plausible that I'm more optimistic than some of these top analysts that are calling a reduced approval rating. Let me see here. My altcoin picks nowadays are the coins that have a growing meme theme, Solana and AVAX plus Near for the hopeful AI announcement one day. Okay, Near Protocol is a good one. I like Near Protocol. Do you have birds living in that hairdo? Dude, I wish. I wish, F Joe. I feel like I could get some birds and they would 100% want to live in my hair. They would be wild. It'd be wild. Oh boy. Soul Train. Oh my god, yeah, the hair is crazy. Can't believe it's real. I'm bald as fuck. Bro, what do you mean? This is you guys have literally seen my hair grow. I've cut it. I have regrown it out. At this point, I'm just growing it. I'm not even concerned about the hair. I feel like I watch so much Explore the Weird. The more and longer the hair is, the more I'm uh in tune with what's going on. And if you guys are like, Teddy, what the hell is Explore the Weird? Go watch me on Explore the Weird. That is a real um channel that we have. I know it's real. It's just unbelievable. I know. I know. I get looks every time I go outside. People are just like, bro, get a haircut. I'm like, bro, mind your own. But no. I never say it. But I can sense them. I can sense them looking. They're just like astonished. And then I'm like huge, right? And for an Indian guy, I tower other Indian men. So it's like, come on now. It's Indian Hulk walking with crazy hair. And he's fat Indian Hulk. Antennas. Yeah, that's it. That's it. But yeah, do check me out on Explore the Weird. I am gonna show that channel. I think we got another new video coming out tomorrow. We got one video out today, part 90. So I think tomorrow we'll get another one out. There's shorts over there too. The channel does have a warning right now, so we'll see what the algorithm does with that. But warning goes away June 4th or something. So counting down the days. We got a long way to go. It's only April. Oh boy, am I gonna make it? But yeah, check out Explore the Weird. This is that new. Nah. There's none of that. None of that. You stop it. All right, we're gonna go over to the chats because I do need to look at the chats. I need to figure out what's going on, buddies. And I want to start off with Bitcoin. You guys do know I changed the fib retracement, and this is where I go, hey, where is BTC going to close? If it closes above 0.618, which is above 68,800, I still go bullish on BTC. Do we know the short position came in, and we know the Andean flipped over, and it was a narrow flip, right? Short position comes in, we see Andean flip over, boom, 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 green, and now people are unaware, and we're seeing sideways trading. I love sideways trading. I know sideways trading, especially for fib retracement, is super important, right? So if this closes and stays above 0.618, above 68,800, I still go bullish. I believe this will continue to go up. But really these next few weeks are going to tell us where we're closing out and where we're headed. You know, the bottom is 60 here in this retracement, and the top being 73. So if we close above, I think 81K is achieved. Once 81K is achieved, we may never see 60K again, you know. But 81K really, 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 really feels within reach going into this halving. And I know, Teddy, you're so crazy. How can you say that? I'm saying it right now to you. So the other fun ones is what's happening with Ethereum prices right now. We do have bearish sentiment. There's even bearish sentiment considering the spot ETFs, but I think that will change. I think regardless of what's happening, even according to the BlackRock CEO, Ethereum spot ETFs are going to get approved. I go, hey, this is going to go bullish. I'm looking for entry points in. This is a fair entry point in at the 0.382 level. I really would love to see this close above 0.618. I know Triple G gave it a short, but the Andean is narrowing. When I see the narrowing, I go, hey, there's a bullish sentiment coming, and it could be a quick flip. So I'm gearing up. I'm getting ready for the next long that comes in. But this was a fair short position that was called, but truly it was a few days late, and we're really going sideways. Even for the AI, it's hard to predict, right? So quite interesting sentiment right now. Fib retracement is going a little bearish because we are closing underneath the 0.618. I really need to see this above 3,700, and I go bullish on ETH. Foreseeable future still considering it goes bullish, and we're in a gathering phase right now. Chart champions looking for 50K top Bybit trader. Oh my God, 50K for what? Triple G's, what's going on? What's going on? Clean Smoke in the building. Nice to see you, buddy. I can feel it. You're wearing the shirt. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, I gave Clean Smoke some merch and he loves it. He made a post for us goons. Oh boy, he definitely is repping. Oh, Bitcoin to 50K. Yeah, so they're indicating shorts, so that'd be a great short to run. And it's very well, I go optimistic on Bitcoin because I'm looking at historical records. I'm looking at what other analysts have said, other top analysts that have been right for other cycles. And I make my own predictions based on that, and then you guys know I'm always reading the news. I share the news with you guys. Half the time, the news doesn't even matter with what's happening with the charts, but we still review everything. We want the most up-to-date information, and that's really what we're looking for. Let me see here. Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, buddies. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do when they come for you? 1 second here. I told you, someone just messaged me. And now that I play the game, it's like, that's right. I started playing. No, so we're gonna continue. Ethereum we did. So BNB. I'm still bullish on BNB. Not everyone's gonna agree. I understand it's 570, but really 590 is all I'm looking for. It closes above 590. I'm very happy. I understand it's 570. We'll see what happens. But if there is a downtrend, I am looking for an opportunity to get in. The Andean is still super wide. I believe it's going to continue. Let's see. And keep in mind, we called this long all the way back at 300. And really, if you truly follow this down, we even called it right around the 200 mark right here. Right. So, guys, I'm believing BNB could have another run. I'm just not seeing the Indian. And if it is a quick flip, I believe it's just maybe it'll retrace down to the 500. Say that's another entry point, and it could continue to go. I'm looking at 1K plus. Yeah, about 100 BNB at $7, bro. Exactly. I just want to know if JTO can hit $14. Wait, let me tell you right now, JTO. I know, Teddy. What about me, Teddy? What about mine? Why are you doing his? Relax, buddies. Relax. I will actually chart it for you right now with fib retracement. Let's go to the last high and the last low, right? And then if we go there, that really puts you, yeah, it's achievable. $15 is achievable. Absolutely, JTO can hit $15. Fib retracement says yes. And this is dirty fib, so I'm 100% just feeling that this is, yeah. And look how wide the Andean just opened up here, bro. This is a long position that was called at $1.09. You're at $4 too. Andean just super wide. $15 is achievable. Absolutely. Absolutely. I know nothing about JTO other than just looking at this price, and it's fairly, um, it's been out since 2023 December, fairly new. It's hard to predict. It's hard to predict. It could fall off. Dev could sell. Anything could happen, but when you look at the fib retracement, potentially. The other one, Solana. You guys know I'm still feeling the Solana soul train. Teddy, all the meme coins are going there. $1.91. I do believe it's going to close above $1.91. That puts Solana really in for me, close to the 240 range. If we have a great day, 300 would be achievable. We'll see. Overall, on the longer time frames, we're bullish. Almost all the shorter time frames are bearish. Woot got 10,000 JTO in airdrop there. Lido of Solana. Oh, dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, bro. So yeah, that 10,000 is gonna turn to 140 thousand for you if it hits $14, and that is the time to sell. And if it hits 75,000, why would you not sell? If it hits 50,000, why would you not sell? So just figure out where you're taking profits, and make sure you have enough to take profits all the way going up, because no one's going to be mad when you're taking profits. So XRP. I do know the long position came in on the Triple G. The Andean is fighting the long position. And really, we're looking for that 65-cent mark, which never happened, Daddy. I need that 65 cents. I'm going to slightly move my thing. And look, we're still at 65 cents, Daddy. Come on now. Come on now. Buddies, it feels like it's never going to happen, but it has to. It has to. There has to be so much positive news. I do anticipate a quick flip on XRP as well. It was narrowing and then it widened a little today, but the overall market did. Hopefully, when the bullish trends come back in and this continues to push forward, we'll see above the 65-cent mark. And really, I want to see it push past 75 and get into 90 cents. And I think once 90 cents hits, that's a straight 30% increase from here. So why would I not find my entry point now? And then really the meme coins, it's high risk, high reward. We are entering below the 0.618 level. If we continue to close below 0.618, I'm sorry, we're gonna downtrend. The Indian is narrowing, and I know it's different for Doge. That's the thing. This is SHIB, this is Bonk, this is Pepe, but for Doge, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. Even Pepe was closing outside the 0.618, and I know Andean's fighting it. Andean's going bullish, but truly, I'm worried. I would really need to see Pepe close above 5089, and that's when I go bullish back again. I don't know if that's achievable. The market cap's low. It can be done. As of right now, I think the meme coin season may be slightly over, pushing toward altcoin season, and that's what we're seeing. Everyone killing it with memes, but everyone I buy. That's what happens to me too. I had the same problem in Solana. I had the same problem in Solana. I just stopped. I'm like, screw it. I'm just gonna buy the ones that are available to me. Right. So this is even COQ. This is another one we got into, and then boom. Right when we sell, it takes off, and it's like, what the hell? What the hell? That short position came in one day, bro. It's always something like that. What's the best way to learn that oscillator? Learn the fib retracement. For me, fib retracement, I look at a current time period. So if I change this to the day, I look at like a period of days, and I'll say, hey, this one's the current high in the time period, and then I trace it to the last low in the same time period. And then usually that tells you, hey, it went from this high and it retraced this low. Where is the price action currently? And now we see it's at 0.382, and this for COQ, guys. This is available on KuCoin. Definitely do check it out if you're into that type of stuff. But right now it's below 0.618. I don't go fully bullish, but I see, hey, in the last 3 days it has pushed above. So if there was a meme coin season, maybe potentially you could see more excess here. Oh, the Andean oscillator. I love. The Andean oscillator is just super easy. You look at it, and if the green is above the red, it's a buy signal. If the red is above the green, it's a sell signal. If it's wide, it usually indicates it goes on for a while. If it's narrow, it's an unknown buy or sell signal. So you have to treat it with a grain of salt. There are unknowns when it narrows up and it trades, and it doesn't usually make crazy price action. When it goes super wide like it is, it's geared up for really good price action. And that's what you're riding, the widening. And right here, I'm seeing a narrowing. I see a red signal. So that's what I'm looking at there. I'm not day one, Teddy. I'm on day three. Day three, buddy. Wait, you're using day 3-day trading in your thing? Oh, dang. Oh, so you holding for a long time. At that point, I would just do the 1 week if you're not even doing 3 days. Wait, how are you even doing 3 days? I can't even choose 3 days on here. I can choose 1 week. Choose the week, I guess. Yeah, I charted for the week. It's pretty much the same. I got the last high, the last low, and look, technically on the longer time frame, on the weekly time frame, if this closes above 0.618, I go bullish. And this is it all depends on the time frame you look at. I go on the days right now. No, I'm not new. Yeah, I know you're not new. You're fine. You got I believe you're a mod in my thing, right? So you should. I know you're not new. I'm just telling you that this is how it is. So the other one was Crow, crypto.com. I was looking for entry points. Short signal came in, and then boom, 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 green candles. And we have narrow Andean oscillator and quick flips. I'm anticipating this is going to go sideways for a little bit, but I know my 0.618 is 15 cents, and we're at 15 cents. I go, hey, potentially a long position quick flip happens, which did happen. And if this widens, I'm seeing price action go as high as 21 cents. So I know what a fib is, kind of. Yeah, fib you definitely probably can figure out much easier than Andean. Andean took me a while to understand. SK, uh, who is the creator of the Triple G indicator, was the one that broke it down to me. Adam was another one. Short position came in, and Andean did widen on Adam as well. So not too sure what's going to happen. BCH continues doing great, and it's truly widened. I do believe if we continue into the halving, we could see BCH getting into the thousands. I've seen it before. When the pump comes into BCH, it does go heavy. Andean did a flip, and we have a short confirmed. I think this Chainlink may continue to downtrend. We may see $15 before we see another upward trend. LTC is narrowing as well, but it is something I'm considering grabbing more of, just because I believe that $100 and more, once its floor is set, it's gonna never go under 100. It may be a long time, but hey, let's see. Triple G indicator. What did I miss? Is this on TG? No. Triple G indicator is something that only I and SK have. He built it himself. It's an AI, like all inclusive indicator he built using PineScript. So there's a Pine editor. That's what's given us the long and shorts here. It's similar to other um, indicators. Oh my God, what's the name? He's gonna kill me. He always tells me this. Oh my God, SK, I'm so sorry. What's the indicator that does buy and sells? I can't remember. Don't kill me, SK. But yeah, that is a thing. Wait, we really should go over to Goon Time. I think we are having too much fun here. But yes, if there's any other ones you guys want me to look at, do let me know. AVAX is another one. I believe $50 is achievable. I know it's a crossover, but it could be a quick flip. It could be a quick flip, just like, and I may just see this go to like $80 relatively soon, because AVAX, Solana, XRP, I'm anticipating. AI using Pine. No. It's not AI using Pine. It's Pine that does indicators, and then all the indicators have weights, and depending on the weights, it's like an algorithm that um, an AI generator generated for SK to figure out which weight is the best to figure out the buy and sell. And I may be completely butchering the way that he got the algorithm, but it's like the algorithm was given to him by some AI stuff he worked out with. Got a weed token coming soon? Wait, which weed token? Dude, there's so many. There's so many. What's the weed token? Is it like exotics? Tell me more. Tell me more. All right. I'm not seeing any other Oh, how's our Jupe? I totally missed that. Let me check Jupe. 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 Jupiter. Oh, wow. $6. Still making moves here. We got some of that. Teddy. You put in $100, Teddy. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let me see. Indian. Okay, got that. All right, I believe that is everything. I don't see. Just after Wolfcaster comes out, bro, we're gonna be waiting a long time. F Joe, you stop it with that. You stop it with that. That's hilarious. I think that is it, guys. I'm not seeing anyone else say anything. I am out of here. I will see you guys again Thursday. I believe we're gonna get a few more crypto clips out. We've been taking clips of the live stream and making short form content. So if you're into that, do check out the videos as well. All right, I'm out of here. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.